our home, a soft Christmas light glows, wishing for calm as the evening flows. Laughter of joy draws your voice so near. Under the moon, love pulls us here. Hearts are racing, joy fills the season. Wrapped in warmth, we find our reason. In every moment, dreams start to shine. Like stars above, your heart next to mine. Oh, let this night be wrapped in bliss, with every second sealed in happiness. May your days be bright, with love's gentle spark, holding you closer forever in my heart. Christmas candles flicker, the world feels right, guiding us softly through the quiet night. Side by side, we'll weave our dreams, lost in this magic, or so it seems. Soft whispers echo, sweet songs we sing. With every note, our hearts take wing. Stars align, shining bright from above. Our world's alive, wrapped in this love. As the Christmas bells ring, a soft melody, we dance in this moment where joy is found. Every glance tells a story, every smile a song. In this embrace, we know we belong. Oh, let this night be wrapped in bliss, with every second sealed in happiness. May your days be bright, with love's gentle spark, holding you closer forever in my heart. So let the night linger, let the magic stay. With you by my side, we'll chase dreams away. In the warmth of your arms, I feel so alive. Together in this moment, our love will thrive. Oh, let this night be wrapped in bliss, with every second sealed in happiness. May your days be bright, with love's gentle spark, holding you closer forever in my heart.